Imagine waking up with no school, no office, and no boss. So what was your job?
For ancient humans, every morning had one mission: find food before hunger found them.
They hunted carefully because one mistake could mean no dinner. Every step had to be smart. When hunting failed, they searched for berries, fruits, and plants. Every little bit of food mattered.
Making fire wasn't easy, but fire kept them warm, cooked their food, and scared away dangerous animals.
They built simple shelters to survive the weather. Safety was more important than comfort. They spent hours making and fixing tools. Better tools meant a better chance of staying alive. Even at night, they stayed alert. Protecting their family was part of everyday life. After a long day, they finally shared a meal. It was a small reward after hours of hard work. Ancient humans didn't have jobs like we do today. Their only full